present simple in the question form. In the question form we have different cases. The first case where we have a verb to be in the sentence. So he is a doctor. In this case, we simply switch the places between the subject and the verb to be. So he is a doctor becomes is he a doctor? We change the capitalization between he and is. The is becomes capital. Is he a doctor? And of course, we add a question mark. Is he a doctor? The second case, where we don't have a verb to be. Again, we will ask the help from verb to do. Since the subject here is they, the verb to do here is do. It's not gonna be does. So we write the sentence as it is. We put a verb to do at the beginning and we change the capitalization. We add a question mark and the question is ready. They watch TV. Do they watch TV? This is the question. The second example, or the third example, he watches TV. The same example with different subject. So the same process, we will write the sentence as it is. We will add a verb to do, and since the subject here is he, the verb to do is does. Does he watches TV? Something is wrong here, which is es. Since does here took the es, watches loses the es and gets back to the base form. Does he watch TV? We change the h into the small letter, we add a question mark and the question is ready. He watches TV becomes does he watch TV? The last form here is long answer or information, asking about information, adding question word. We simply add a question word at the beginning of the question. So he watches TV. Does he watch TV? Where does he watch TV? The last thing here, changing the D into a small letter, and the question is ready.